How's it going, family attorneys? So a lot of people, buy leads from a lot of different services. There's, I believe, For Legal Leads, there's Unbundled, and I have nothing against lead buying services. I think they're great because they're very transactional and you can get up and running very, very quickly without having to go through, lengthy processes of creating your own marketing campaigns. So I want to talk about a few of the drawbacks of buying leads, and I also want to tell you how these people generate these leads and why they can be low quality in some cases. So first, I want to talk to you about the benefits of running your own marketing versus buying leads. So if you run your own marketing, they're branded leads, meaning that they have interacted with your website or they've interacted with your brand. They expect to be called by you and they're looking forward to working with you. Versus a purchase lead from another vendor, they don't necessarily know who you are or what you do or any of your values. So they're not already kind of primed to work with you. So that's a big deal because you want to brand your firm in the long term so people, get to know you, you'll close higher, they expect to talk to you. So that's one of the benefits. Hey, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to our channel by clicking the button below. And if you want us to help you grow your law firm, you can book a call with me in the comments section below. Let's get back to the video. The other thing I want to talk about is it's important to understand the goal of the lead company that's selling the lead. They want to make as much money as possible on how much it costs them to generate the lead versus what they sell it for. So in a perfect world, they're making double, triple what it costs to actually generate a lead. And so in a lot of cases, what they do is they will generate very cheap leads so they can make the most money possible. And the ways that they do this, there's a few ways, is number one, the first way that they do it is they will actually advertise really crazy offers. So free 1 hour consultations or super cheap divorces, flat rate divorces, all of the things that are going to attract cheaper clients. Those are the things that they're going to do because that will help their lead costs be lower. And when they sell you a lead, it's going to make them a whole lot more money. So again, you don't know what type of advertisement they're running on their end to get that lead cheap. But what it tends to do is it tends to bring in lower quality clients who can't afford to pay you. It's usually why lead buying doesn't go that well. The other thing is there are a lot of different ways to generate leads online. There's Facebook, there's YouTube, there's Display, there's Google, there's all kinds of stuff. And some networks are better than others from a quality standpoint. The only problem is the quality networks are more expensive, which means that their margin is not as good. And so they tend to stay away from those type of networks. So that's just something to think about when you're buying leads. If you're doing it and you're getting results, it can only get better from there once you start marketing yourself. If you're doing it and you're not getting results, this is why. They're generating super cheap leads so that they make the most money possible and they sell you a lead that, again, they're marking up 2 to 3 times. So beware of buying leads. Again, I think it's great from a transactional standpoint. It's great from a diversification standpoint. But from a quality of lead standpoint and scaling your business in the long term, it's not the best avenue to go down. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to ask me in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.